Ikaw na yung bago, Kalista, late ka ng 15 minutes.
Sorry po, Naimelda, na-traffic po kasi ako, galing pa po akong Bataan.
Walang excuse. Si Sir Zack galit sa late at galit sa maingay at galit sa lahat. Week mates na siniba kasi lang nalaglag yung kutsara.
Melda, who's the noise?
Bagong maid po, sir, si Kalista.
Kalista.
You're late, you're loud, you're small.
Excuse me po, sir, pero...
I don't like excuses. I don't like explanations.
I like results. Can you clean without existing? Can you breathe without making sound?
Ay, sorry po, sir, ha? Tao po ako. Huminga balaw. Minsan naingay kung gusto nyo robot sa mall kayo bumili.
What's your name again?
Kalista Reyes po. Kali na lang for short.
You're hired, California. But one mistake, one sound, one complaint, you're fired.
Hey babe, it's been a while. Miss me?
Ashley, matagal na tayong tapos.
Pero I still love you, Zach. And no other women can ever love you more than like I do.
Ashley, it's over.
No! I'm still your fiance and I know you still love me. You need space. Fine, I'll give it to you. But that doesn't change I'm still your fiance.
Ashley, this relationship doesn't work anymore.
I'll win you back, Zach.
I'm sorry, Ashley. Pero ayoko na.
The city never sleeps. But I find peace here.
Maid! Why is it so quiet? Are you dead?
Baliw na ba to? Kanina ayaw ng ingay, ngayon ayaw ng tahimik? Buhay pa po, sir! Nagpupunas lang!
I don't want to eat. Your breathing is too loud.
Ay, sorry po. Pigilin ko po hininga ko. Inhale, hold.
Stop. You're gonna die.
Oh, so this is the new help? Maid po, may pangalan Kali. Whatever. Still a maid. Remember your place. Anong klaseng tingin yan? Galit ka? Di ba trabaho mo yan? Sa pagkakaalam ko si Sir Zack lang ang pinagsisilbihan ko at wala ka sa kontrata. You didn't know me? Bakit trabaho ko bang kilalanin ka, ma'am?
Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Ashley and I'm your Sir Zack's fiancé.
Alam mo na siguro kung ano ibig sabihin. Fiancé? Yes, may problema? Wala. Sabi ko nga, linisin ko na to, madam. Good. At least you know your place. Where is Zack?
What's the noise?
Zach, darling, why do you keep hiring new maids? Are you lonely?
Ashley, I don't remember asking for your opinion on my staff.
Fine. I'm just saying be careful. Gold diggers are everywhere.
The only gold digger here is you. Get out.
Sir, pwede magtanong?
What?
Ba't mo ko pinagtanggol sa fiancé niyo?
I don't like people touching my things. I mean my staff, your company property.
California, sit down, join me.
Po?
You hear it right? Unless kumbingi ka.
Opo sir, ito na po, upo na po.
Good, now eat.
Opo. Anong upa kayang nakain ng kumag na yon? Ba't bigla-bigla niya akong pinagtatangol at pinakain pa niya ako kanina kasabay siya? Baliw talaga papaiba-iba mood.
Ouch. My head hurts. Ugh. It hurts so much.
Sir, dinalhan ko po kayo lugaw at gamot.
Leave. I don't need you.
Sir, kung di kayo inom ng gamot, tatawag ako ng ambulansya. Mas may ingay yun.
Fine.
4 a.m. na.
Why are you still here? Shift mo tapos na.
Kasi pag namatay kayo, wala magpapasweldo sa akin, sir. Business lang.
Liar. Thanks, Callie.
Tapos na ang shift ko kay Sir Zack. Dito muna ako. Mamaya pa yung uwi si Sir.
What are you doing here?
Wala po!
This is a building design?
Wag niyo po pa kayalaman, sir. Basura lang yan.
Si Reyes, art cum laude? You're an architect?
Dati, nung buhay pa si tatay. Pero ngayon maid na lang ako. Kasi kailangan ng kapatid ko ng gamot. Pride hindi pambili ng gamot, sir.
You're wasting your talent here.
Okay lang. At least ito walang nambabarat sa akin. Bayad ka malaki eh.
Sir, bakit kayo nandito magkakasakit na naman kayo?
Why do you care? You're just my maid.
Eh, ba't ba kasi kayo nagpapakapagod? CEO ka nga, di mo naman kaya alagaan sarili mo.
At least I don't pretend to care just for money.
Wow, kapal mo. Kung pera lang habol ko, edi sinipsip na kita kaya sinasagot-sagot.
You drive me crazy, Callie. You drive me crazy, Callie.
Gusto na yata kita, Kali. I hate that you're just a maid, pero you're the only one who makes my house feel like home. I hate that I can't fire you from my heart.
Bakit bumibilis ang tibok ng puso ko nung nagkalapit kami ni Sir? Wag mong sabihin gusto mo si Sir Zack Kali?
No, di pwede!
You're flying with me to Tokyo tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Your wish is my command.
Good.
Pero bakit ako kasama sa business trip ninyo, sir?
Basta, I need you there. Let's go, California.
Yes, sir.
Sir, bakit isang bed lang?
Hotel error. Sleep on the floor if you want.
Eh, di kayo matulog sa sahig, kayo lalaki.
I'm the boss. I get the bed. Good night, California. Kali, came here sa bed.
Sir?
Shut up and sleep. Nanginginig ka na. Huwag ka lang malikot. I'll fire you if you snore.
Good afternoon, sir. As requested, nandito na ang lunch nyo.
You're a bit late.
Na-traffic lang, sir. Hirap humanap ng taxi. Eto na po, sir.
All right. Oh, hi, you're Mr. Zach's Alviera maid, right?
Ah, yes, sir.
You're pretty. You should model, not clean.
She's busy. She's my maid. Callie, let's go.
But Zach, I don't understand.
There's no time. We have to leave now. Zach, wait!
Sir, ang bastos nyo, tsaka maid lang pala tingin nyo sa akin.
Anong gusto mo? Tawagin kitang architect para landiin ka ng lahat?
Hindi, gusto ko lang respeto, hindi mo ako pag-aari, sir.
Then stop acting like you own my f***ing attention, Callie! Kasi putang ina sa'yo lang ako nakitingin!
Sir, bakit po pala ako nandito sa bed nyo?
Masyadong masikip dun sa bed area mo, Kali.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Now drink your medicine, stubborn.
Opo, sir. Sir, batang bait nyo pag may sakit ako pero pag magaling ako, sinusungitan nyo na naman ako?
Because it kills me that your life matters this much to me, Callie.
I try to tell myself you're just the help. But the truth is, this house is just a building without you. I can terminate your contract, but I'm stuck with you in my heart.
Sir, okay na po ako. Salamat sa pag-alaga.
Good.
Pero, totoo ba yung sinabi nyo nung akala nyo tulog ako?
Which part?
Yung di mo ko kayang sipain sa puso mo part.
Every damn word. This didn't happen. Forget about this.
Yes sir.